Hey guys, this is Moneymaker001. So in the last 24 hours, there have been a lot of ups and downs which are happening in RedBubble, and a lot of accounts are getting suspended on RedBubble. I have got messages from a lot of people who are telling me that their account got suspended. Now the thing is that RedBubble may be updating its algorithm, or there may be some glitch or error in RedBubble. So I think what you should do is that avoid putting designs for 2 to 3 days, so that you may not get caught up in this and your account may not get suspended. Okay, just create your designs, keep them inside your computer or smartphone, but don't upload them to RedBubble. Just wait for 2 to 3 days. Once we get some notification from RedBubble, after that you can start uploading designs again to RedBubble. This is something which is very important, because I don't want your accounts to get suspended from RedBubble. I want you to make money from RedBubble. So they may be updating, or there may be some glitch or error. So that's the reason why you should just be patient, and whoever's account has got suspended, I have no information about that until now at this point, so I may not know about this. So if I get any of the information about this, how to get back the suspended accounts, then I will be definitely posting a video about that on this channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.